Hey, it's another little Wayne bite, just a little taste of this and that, and I'm at the wedding of my best friend's son, Andy, and his fiancée, now wife, Erin. They're awesome. The two of them asked me if I'd create something for their guests at the wedding reception, and of course, I said yes. We agreed I'd make a collection of my homemade spice mixes for each place setting, and here's what was involved. I first ordered 240 4-ounce jars online and filled 80 each with my beef, chicken, and seafood spice mixes. These are great for grilling and seasoning meats, sauces, and salads. I'll link you to where I got the bottles and my spice mix recipes in the box below. I designed labels in Adobe Illustrator and printed them on small, square Avery labels. I shipped the spices in the same packing boxes they came in, with plans to create the gift sets at the hotel on the water where the wedding was happening in Kirkland, Washington, right near Seattle. With each gift set, I included a little instruction card on how to use them. I printed name tags for all the guests on silver cardstock and added a red satin ribbon to attach them. And I ordered plastic treat bags to pack them in. There were either 2 or 3 jar sets to a bag, 2 for singles, 3 for couples, tied with a silver twist tie, tagged with a name tag, and then tied with a silver ribbon. After creating 85 gift sets, off they went to the reception. They looked great on the tables, and Andy and Erin, heck, the whole gang couldn't have been more appreciative. You can make similar gift sets for any occasion, or just make spice mixes for yourself. And you can create whatever label you like, too. Lots of online apps and templates are available. All the resources, including my original spice mixes, are listed below. If you have any comments or questions, leave me a message. And please, like the video and subscribe to my channel, where you'll find lots of food, craft, travel, and other lifestyle tips and ideas. See you next time.